By recommending authentic products and services that can benefit your audience, affiliate marketing can help you make thousands of dollars per month. Yes, that's the power of affiliate marketing when it's combined with excellent content and reputable brand. It's a brilliant way to earn a lot of passive income with very little initial effort, so you can make money even while you sleep. You can practically profit from someone else's product or service without having to go through the trouble of building it yourself. Affiliate marketing is gaining popularity due to its flexibility and convenience of working from home while earning decent money. Affiliate marketing may be an excellent alternative for you if you want to make money online without putting in any initial capital. Today I'm going to show you 7 important things that you can do if you want to make money with affiliate marketing. Welcome to Flores Online Explains, the online education platform. Subscribe to my channel for information, explanations, and tips. Don't forget to press the like button and the notification bell. Now let's get into the video. Before we begin to talk about how to make money with affiliate marketing, you need to first understand what affiliate marketing means. So, what does affiliate marketing mean? Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing in which you, as an affiliate, can make money by promoting or recommending a company's or a person's products or services. It's similar to a referral program in the sense that you can recommend or promote products and services to your audience through your blog, website, social media networks, or YouTube channel. You will get a modest commission if your audience purchases a product or service through you. The commissions can be based on a percentage of each sale or a predetermined sum, with sales determined by affiliate links provided by the product service owner. If it sounds complicated, let me help you understand by describing how affiliate marketing really works and what its main components are. In a nutshell, you can participate in affiliate programs by picking a niche that you're interested in and is relevant to your expertise and target audience. You can join affiliate networks to form direct partnerships with brands to have access to such programs. When you sign up for an affiliate marketing program, you'll be given a unique link or code that allows the companies to track every consumer you refer to them. You earn a commission when a customer purchases a product after clicking on your link. Programs can be found directly through a company or through an affiliate network such as Share a Sale. You can use these links in promotional materials like your blog, social media accounts, or YouTube channel. So you create content around the product and embed links with them, allowing your audience to buy the goods or services by clicking on the links. When someone buys something through your link, you get a small commission. Affiliate marketing involves a group of people working together to generate and promote a product or service. A product owner, an affiliate, a consumer, and an affiliate network are the 4 essential components of affiliate marketing. Now let's talk about the 7 important tips you need to know in order to make money with affiliate marketing. Number 1. Create valuable content. According to Statista, people worldwide spend an average of 170 minutes online in 2019. People consume a lot of material, but if you want to be noticed, you need to make yours valuable to your target audience. Blogs are an excellent method to accomplish this. According to FindStack, 65% of all affiliate marketers earn traffic out by only blogging. New affiliate marketers should focus on providing high-quality content and building a highly engaging audience. According to Carrie Merole of the Green Spring Home, that will pay off in the long run. According to Statista, people around the world spend an average of 145 minutes each day on social media in 2020. If you're wondering whether you need a website to be an affiliate marketer, the answer is no. Promoting your material on social media is a simple and free way to get it in front of individuals who might be interested. Pinterest, for example, offers affiliate opportunities based on the pins of your various boards. Many affiliate marketers operate completely on social media, such as @AmandaCerny, who rose to fame through her YouTube vlogs and is now a well-known Instagram influencer and affiliate marketer with over 24 million followers. Number 2. Run ads around peak shopping seasons. Your affiliate marketing business is still an internet business. Even if you don't offer your own products directly to customers, you earn commission on the products of other company, with the same ultimate aim of generating revenue. Take cues from successful e-commerce marketing methods and align your affiliate promotions with peak purchasing seasons like Valentine's Day, Mother's and Father's Day, July the 4th, Black Friday, and Cyber Monday, and Christmas and New Year's. Invest some money on social media advertising, pay-per-click, PPC, or A/B testing during this time if you have the funds. While customer acquisition costs rise during competitive periods, it's a terrific method to increase your chances of growing an audience and your email list during a period when shoppers are actively looking for things to buy. Number 3. Knowing the ins and outs of the product you're promoting. Unfortunately, many people have taken affiliate marketing as a get-rich-quick scheme. This is accompanied by plenty of folks seeking to make fast cash rather than genuinely assisting their audience. These individuals have a high tendency to fail quickly. You may set yourself apart from competitors by having more knowledge than they have. You need to be known as an expert, or at the very least, have a platform where people can learn more about the products you're pushing in order to stand out as an affiliate. It's all too common for affiliates to pick a few suppliers they think their visitors will be interested in without performing any research on them. However, even if you are only looking for information about these things, you still want to know how and why people use them. Complete your due diligence before joining up with a new service provider to achieve things. Before you test it out for yourself, even if it's just a demo version, think about what other people have to say. While driving sales for your affiliate products may take longer when you do, consumers are more likely to trust the products you recommend, because it will be clear and obvious that you know a lot about the product you're pushing. Number 4. Share discount codes. As part of their program, merchants frequently develop a list of the internet marketing materials for their affiliates to use. The short list is usually made up of banners and images and email marketing copy. However, it's not a bad idea to check with your affiliate partners to see if they have any active discount codes that may be used on the products you're pushing. These coupon codes are also quite effective in converting those who haven't tried the products you're recommending. Statistics suggest that 89% of millennial customers would test a new brand if they can get a discount. Once you've got a discount code to share with your audience, broadcast it on social media with direct affiliate links to the retailer's website. You can also send your audience an email that directs them to the offer. To persuade searchers to click through, edit any affiliate-related website material to include the discount code, and add the word discount to the meta description of your review pages. Number 5. Learn SEOs. The majority of affiliate marketers rely on SEO for traffic. To do a proper SEO, you have to first research a keyword, its search volume and competition. Then you try to create an in-depth material or content that outperforms the top search results. Make sure that it's content that you're creating and it's user-friendly. Incorporate your keywords in the appropriate locations like title, description, content, and video file name. Number 6. Diversify your partners. Don't put all your affiliate eggs in one basket. While it is unlikely a corporation has the power to terminate an affiliate program, reuse payouts or reduce commission rates. Take, for example, Amazon Associates, which famously reduced commissions across all product categories with only a week's notice. Amazon affiliates pushing home renovation items saw their commissions lowered from 8 to 3%. A decent rule of thumb is that no single affiliate partner should account for more than 50% of your revenue. That way, if the worst happens, you won't be completely out of the money. It's easier to replace half of your income than it is to replace all of it. Number 7. Grow your audience. You can post entertaining videos and pictures just for the aim of keeping your audience entertained and engaging them. This will also put your page on the radar and increase your followers. If you do this appropriately, people will be more drawn to your page, and they will be more willing to click on your links. If you utilize all these steps, I'm sure that you will begin to see improvements in your earnings. What do you think about this video? Let me know down in the comments section. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope that you've learned a thing or two. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. I really hope to see you soon again.